Integrating ZoomInfo with Salesforce enriches CRM data with real-time B2B intelligence, automating lead enrichment, contact updates, and intent monitoring. Requires a ZoomInfo account and Salesforce Edition. Professional setup takes 10-30 minutes. Prerequisites. Enable REST API in Salesforce. Admin, system overview, quick find API. Ensure admin access in both platforms. Step-by-step setup. Log into ZoomInfo. Go to Integrations, Salesforce, Connect, or Add Integration. Enter Salesforce credentials. Provide username, password, security token. Generate in Salesforce. Setup. My personal information. Reset security token. Select sync type. Choose service account, default, for bulk syncs, or user account, per user exports. For Copilot users, enable advanced sync for team insights. Map data fields in Zoom Info Settings, General tab. Align fields, for example, ZoomInfo, company name, to Salesforce, account name. Review defaults for leads, each contacts, each accounts. Configure options, set sync frequency, real-time or scheduled. Objects like enable filtering for ZoomInfo search. And user permissions, admin, manage users, assign access. Test and activate, save, export a test record, for example from ZoomInfo list. Export to Salesforce. Verify in Salesforce, for example, new leads appear.